Hi, this is Cordelia Blake. I want to tell you about my upcoming workshop, Launch Your Career Portable Business Options. I created this workshop because I've met so many people that are starting or expanding a business online, and they do a thing because they've heard of that thing. So whether it's selling on Amazon, selling on eBay, doing training, selling services, whatever their thing that they've maybe met one person who did, they think that that's what they should do. So I created this workshop to give you a full menu of just like what's available in terms of portable businesses, online businesses, businesses you can launch, run, and maintain from anywhere in the world. And then you can really see what's out there and then sync that up with your personality and your unique training, your unique background, and your unique situation to find the best fit for you rather than simply just seeing what somebody else did and thinking that's your choice. So please join us for Launch Your Career Portable Business Options to learn more about what all different kinds of great business opportunities there are for you, how you can launch your business or expand your business, and create a business that is both profitable and meaningful to you. I look forward to seeing you soon.